Hi, Achy Dad here. I'm at work at Marlborough College's Learning Design and Technology program, and I'm going to unbox an iPhone 8. I will compare it to an Pixel 2 visually, but first let's do. This is a 64 gig black regular iPhone 8. It's got those stickers. There it is. It's really easy so far. Good packaging from Apple. All glass. Standard buttons. Wired earbuds with looks like a firewire to mini jack on the back. Plug. USB to firewire. And I think that's it. There's an unboxing. So far it feels good. Let's bring out a Pixel 2. There's a Pixel 2. Pixel 2 is definitely bigger. The screen is definitely longer, maybe an inch. Same width, I think. I'm trading my Pixel 2 in. I had a Pixel 1 and loved it, although it had a few problems that were and were not covered by warranty. Pixel 2 just wasn't better enough. Remarkably similar in the back. The Pixel 2 has two focus beam things. Well, I think it's phase and laser now, and I was having some autofocus problems with the Open Camera app. The onboard included camera app seemed to do okay. Again, I just wanted to go back to Apple. Been a year or so on Pixel, and I usually go back and forth. So it's under 15 days I can return this. It's great. Google has great support, I have to say, especially by chat anytime. So far this does feel a little smaller. This is bigger, obviously, lengthwise. So far I like the 8. See how it works. I'll do a review after I've had it for a while. Stay unboxy out there.